Hey, beautiful souls! Have you heard of Moringa? This incredible plant is like a gift from nature, a true superfood brimming with vitamins and antioxidants. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Moringa, especially its incredible benefits for us women. Imagine a natural way to enhance your health, boost your energy, and even give your skin that radiant glow we all crave. From balancing hormones to strengthening bones, Moringa is a true ally for women throughout every stage of life. Get ready to unlock a world of wellness with Moringa. Let's unravel the nutritional magic packed within Moringa. This plant is like a multivitamin from nature, brimming with essential vitamins and minerals our bodies crave. Vitamins A, C, and E, a powerful trio of antioxidants that fight free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Next, we have a fantastic lineup of minerals: iron, calcium, and protein. Iron is crucial for us, especially to combat fatigue and support healthy blood flow. Calcium, that's our bone-strengthening superhero, keeping us strong and resilient. And let's not forget protein, essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Instead of relying on synthetic pills, you can nourish your body with the goodness of nature. Moringa is like a symphony of nutrients working together to optimize your well-being. Ready for that lit from within glow? Moringa can help you achieve it. Remember those antioxidants we talked about? They're key players in fighting oxidative stress, a major culprit behind premature aging. By neutralizing free radicals, Moringa helps protect your skin from damage, keeping it youthful and radiant. Moringa is also rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient for collagen production. By boosting collagen, Moringa helps minimize fine lines, wrinkles, and even those pesky dark circles. Moringa is a true hair hero thanks to its abundance of vitamin E and iron. Vitamin E nourishes the scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and preventing breakage. Embrace Moringa as your natural beauty ritual. Let's talk about hormones, ladies. Our bodies go through so much, from our monthly cycles to the changes of menopause. Moringa can be a gentle and natural way to support hormonal balance during these times. Its rich antioxidant profile helps combat oxidative stress, which can disrupt hormonal harmony. Some studies suggest that Moringa may help regulate thyroid function, crucial for overall hormonal balance. The magnesium in Moringa can help relax muscles, reducing cramps and bloating. B vitamins, also abundant in Moringa, support a healthy nervous system, potentially easing mood swings and irritability. During menopause, Moringa can help ease hot flashes, sleep disturbances, and mood changes. Feeling that midday slump? Moringa's got your back. One of the most common reasons we experience fatigue is iron deficiency. And guess what? Moringa is a fantastic source of plant-based iron. This essential mineral helps carry oxygen throughout our bodies, giving us that sustained energy to power through our days. Moringa is also a good source of B vitamins, especially B12, crucial for energy production on a cellular level. These vitamins act like spark plugs, igniting our cells to function at their best, so we can feel energized and focused. B vitamins also play a vital role in supporting a healthy nervous system and promoting a positive mood. Moringa is your go-to ally for a natural energy and mood boost. A strong immune system is our best defense against illness, and Moringa can help fortify our body's natural defenses. Its potent antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moringa helps strengthen our defenses, making us less susceptible to infections. Moringa's benefits go beyond immunity. It's also a fantastic source of calcium and vitamin K for strong, healthy bones. As women, we're more prone to bone loss, so it's crucial to nourish our bones. By incorporating Moringa into our diet, we maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis. Embrace Moringa as your partner in lifelong wellness. Ready to add some Moringa magic to your life? It's incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Add Moringa powder to your smoothies for a nutrient boost. Enjoy Moringa as a soothing tea. Add a teaspoon to hot water, let it steep, and enjoy. Add it to soups, stews, and sauces for extra nutrition. Get creative and discover your favorite ways to enjoy Moringa. So, there you have it, beautiful souls. We've explored the incredible benefits of Moringa, from its impressive nutritional profile to its positive impact on our skin, hair, hormones, energy, and immunity. Moringa is truly a gift from nature, a powerful ally for women seeking to enhance their well-being. If you're looking to nourish your body, explore the world of Moringa. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, take care and embrace radiant health and happiness.